Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I will show you the couple of the camera tricks that you can find in the smartphone and also the couple of the most useful features. So let's start by opening the camera, and of course I'm not going to talk as a standard modes like Pro, Video, Photo or Portrait, because everybody knows that those modes are on the old smartphones. Even when you buy a smartphone for like 50 bucks, you will get this 4 standard modes. So I will show you the best features that I ever used. So let's go by tapping on the right upper corner and let's go for the settings. And because when you are here, we can use the watermark on the photos. So if you wonder what it is, just simply tap on it and then tap on the switcher to add the device watermark on the photo. And just take a look. Right now I'm going to take a photo and I will show you what it is. So just maybe I'll take it something like that. And right now when you take a look on the photo, on the left bottom corner, you will find the watermark. So when you are posting the photo on the social medias and you are afraid that someone might steal it, there you will be protected with this simply watermark. Maybe I will take the photo of the dark scenario because on the white there is not good example. Oh, right now we can see it more clearly, right? And of course you can customize this watermark. So when you go back for the settings and going for the watermark, here we can change it. Next option that it's really useful, I mean there's two very similar options. There we got the correct desaturation in ultra wide and for desaturation on the group photos. So I can recommend you to turn on this feature, especially when you take a lot of photos with your wide lens, ultra wide lens and this mode. So this photo will be looks a little bit better because it will automatically fix some kind of the bugs that this lens made. So yeah, definitely activate this feature. Next we can very fast increase quality of our photos by changing from the standard to the high. We can also use the volume button functions. So as you can see, currently it's set up as a shutter. So take a look. When I press volume down or up button, it will take photo. But I always use it as zoom feature. So let's change it for the zoom and take a look. I'm going to put this plant here. And when I press the volume up button, I can very smoothly zoom in, as you can see. And when I press the volume down button, I can smoothly zoom out. So we can actually make it with one hand instead of pitching the screen like that. So let's go back for the settings, because here we can find also the last option. There we got the shutter sound, and of course we can change it. So when I take the photo, right now it sounds like that. Of course we can turn off this sound, but I use it and I always change it right here for the film. We got also the modern and retro. For me this one sounds the best. So let's take a photo. And right now we got this nice characteristical sound. Okay, so when you go for the settings and the most useful features for me, we can go for the more settings, more modes that we can find in the smartphone. So very good. There we got the 108 megapixel lens. So take a look. What is the difference when you take a photo with a 108 megapixel and with the normal mode? So I'm going to put this maybe far away. Okay, let's catch focus on it and take a photo. Okay, photo was taken. Right now we can turn it off and make the same, but without this mode. Okay, and now just take a look. So there we got the normal mode. It looks like that. So there's nice details. But take a look when you switch to the 108 megapixels. Here we got more details, definitely more details, and we can zoom in a little bit closer. I mean, much closer, definitely. And there's, very good when you take a photo of the objects, because you can get more quality. Here we can also find things like vlog, but you have to download it, so just wait a little bit. Now open it, and here we got the few default options like stop motion, holidays. You know, it will just make music, so maybe when you are vlogging there will be some kind of a nice and short video. Just take a look. Okay, there we got the first. Let's go for another one, and another one, and again, and the last one. Okay, it was all, so we can save it, and it will just put together automatically. And just take a look how it looks. So as you can see, here we got some kind of the cool animation and moves between the videos. So if you are on the traveling and you want to make some kind of the short video, it will be nice to use it. And when you go here, of course, we got the standard modes like slow motion, time lapse, but we get also very interesting the clone video. So we can use the clone on photo and video, and also on the freeze frame. But of course, okay, there is the call the freeze frame, but when I used it last time, like 3 weeks ago, it was the time lapse clone. So they probably changed it. But okay, there we get the photo. I cannot show you how it works because I'm only here by myself and I cannot take photo with someone. But basically, you know, you take photo of someone, or maybe I will try to make it by using my smartphone, my private smartphone, with picture. Wait a minute, it will be interesting if it works. Okay, let's take maybe those guys. Let's see if it is going to work. Okay. Yeah. Let's turn off this tutorial. Oh yeah, right now it catch, as you can see, the face of this woman. So let's take a photo. Bang. Right now, keep holding the phone in the same position and put it, you know, a little bit. Okay, I just move it too fast, so let's make it another time. Okay, so just finish. And as you can see, okay, right now it works, so I'm surprised. And you can basically clone people on the photo. So there's very tricky and very funny, so we can play with your friends. And the same thing when you are making the video, it will work the same. On the photo we can catch 3 people, I mean 3 clones, and on the video 2. So when you go back and take a look one more time on the more, we get also the panorama mode. It's not that common, so take a look if you want to take the photo. Just like that, press the shutter and go like that, and press the shutter another time, and we'll get photo like that. Much wider than the normal ultra wide lens in this phone. So we can basically catch more objects by using the panorama mode. And I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.